took the Copper John. Oh, look at that thing. Wow, he'd fit on the Barbie. He's over 20. Gonna have to paddle back to him. Oh. Oh. Come here. Need a longer net. Oh.
He's about 21.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if I can get this out.
Oh, wow. What a beautiful fish. Look at that thing.
I've never seen one with that much color.
Yeah. Well, they could get it in here like that.
Of course, I'm used to...
That should just pop right out of there. It's sparkless.
Oh, yeah, he just spit it out.
Yeah. Now where's your other one? That might hook him again.
There he goes.
Yeah. Awesome.
Well, the last few bites I've had.
So I guess we could just sit right here and cast out and just strip. Oh, he ate the Copper John. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, yeah, he was a little bit foul hooked. He got leverage on me. Oh! Oh, I hate this net. Oh! There. Yeah, not too bad. Get him on there. There you go. Oh, he's he's gonna get you. He took the damselfly too, didn't he?
Yeah, he did.
Of course. Oh! Oh! Better than I thought. Thought it was a small one. Oh yeah, he's nice. He's a fighter. He's not as nice as that last one I caught, but he gets the fighter award. Oh. My heck. Come here, buddy. Wow, another Copper John. I have not caught a single one on the damselfly. And that's all you've caught on, wasn't it?
No, all the little ones have been on the
Copper John. Well, yeah, he's probably 18, but he's fresh. He fought good. Boy, this one looks yummy.
Got him in yet?
Not yet. Definitely over 20. Oh my God. Oh! You won't fit my net. Oh my God. Look at that thing, Kade. Holy moly. That thing is huge. Oh, I'm gonna take my fly. Hold still, Newton. Where are you? There it is. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. I wonder if I could pick him up and see how big he is. My net's 20. No, he's not gonna let me.
Can't pick him up?
No. Well, we aren't gonna keep him anyway, but... Oh, hang on a second.
Perfect. Yep, a little bigger than mine.
Oh, geez, that's like 22. Look, my net's 20.
That's 23, I'd say.
That's a nice fish. Get in
about
there.
What the size of the one that I had on looked like.
Might is the same one.
Could be, it's right the same area. Looks like you've been doing pretty good up in the shallows.
I didn't get a bite till just a second ago, and then I caught 3 teeny ones and then this one.
Yeah, I saw that. You've been pulling them in. I was doing pretty good.
Yeah, I saw that.
But I got hooked on a tree one time.
Uh-oh. Did you break off?
No.
Good.
Just had to go the other way I casted.
And pull it back out. You ready there, buddy? Oh, you're a nice fish. Let's get you good and ready. Finally, he ate my damselfly. Ready? There he goes. Whoa. Yeah. Well, as soon as it changes back the other way, we'll head towards the truck. About getting fished out?
Not yet.
Okay. Well, you just say the word. I'll stay till dark. You know me. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, this ain't too bad. About half the size of that last one. Oh, he's not hooked very good. Get off. Get off. Well, I guess he's hooked better than I thought. Fast, 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 fast. Oh, he's going this way. Okay, I'll have him pull me back the truck. Woo! He don't look very big, but he's sure pulling hard. He's probably 18, 16, 18. Oh, he's 18. Took the Copper John. He gets the fighter award. Come there, buddy. Up you go. Oh, holy crap. Wow, he don't look that big. He's not. Well, I can guess he's okay. You get the Fighter of the Day award right there.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Oh, that's beauty. It's a beauty, eh?
Hopefully it has 2 lures in its mouth when we get it.
Yeah, really. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. He's not done. Don't get too excited. He's going to make another run on you. You going to get him? Oh, that's nice. Oh, oh, you got him in your net backwards. Flip your net around. And you can't tell how deep he is, how long he is. He's definitely over 20.
Give you a good idea. 9 plus 11, he's right at 20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good one. What did he take?
I think he took the damselfly.
Did he really?
Yeah.
I wonder if I've got another one of those. I just put on a leech.
Oh, oh. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, oh. Shut it out, and then I got stuck in this tissue. Okay.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at the colors on that.
Yeah, he's a colorful one.
Wow.
You gonna be okay?
Yeah, he's good. Looks good.
If he can get his head out of the net.
Yeah, he'll go here and just, there he goes.
Off he goes.
Awesome.
Yep.
That one was deep and slow. Hit the leech. Well, let's see if we can unhook you right here. Just like that.